Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are going to make Renkon Hasamiyaki, ginger-flavored ground chicken mixture sandwiched with lotus root slices, then cooked in sweet and salty sauce. These are the ingredients. You may have to go to a Japanese or Asian market to find renkon or lotus roots in the US. If you can't find it, you could substitute with other vegetable like eggplants. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we peel the lotus root using a peeler like that and slice about 1/4 inch thick. You will be able to get about 8 to 12 slices. Chop green onions finely. In a bowl, put ground chicken, green onions, grated ginger, salt, soy sauce, and potato starch, katakuriko, or cornstarch, and mix very well. Place lotus root slices on a baking sheet and sprinkle potato starch all over the surface on one side. Divide the meat mixture into 4 to 6 depending on how many lotus root slices you have, and put one part of the meat on the starch side of the lotus root. Then cover with another lotus root slice so the starch side touches the meat. Like that. And trim the side of the meat with a knife so the meat is neatly inside the sandwiches. Heat oil at medium heat in a frying pan. Place the lotus roots and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. And turn over. Turn down the heat, cover, and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to mix the ingredients for the sauce. In a small bowl, mix sugar, soy sauce, sake, and mirin, and set aside. Open the lid, then add the sauce mixture and cook for a few more minutes, coating the sauce on both sides. The sauce here is very similar to teriyaki sauce, but the ginger from the ground chicken mixture makes it spicy and refreshing. If you find lotus roots at your local supermarket, give this a try. We hope you will enjoy it. 美味しい。
美味しいね。